Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Horton, and today I'm going to share more with you about Syfe and how technology is transforming the way we grow our business. Syfe is a digital investment platform that is Singapore headquartered and licensed by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. We aim to transform the way people manage their money and believe investing should be accessible to everyone. We make this possible through our smart, affordable, and intuitive financial solutions. Whether it is fully managed, curated, and personalized portfolios for long-term wealth building, or self-directed investing into stocks and ETFs through Syfe's neo-brokerage offering, there is something for everyone. We are building a platform with a full suite of products for all of one's investing needs. Our team has been on a rapid growth journey to date since our launch in 2019. In 2020 alone, we've seen our user base grow over 20 times across the year, and then again in 2021. While our total assets under management has also grown significantly over the same period. These are extremely encouraging results, especially during the challenging backdrop of a global pandemic. We have hit many milestones as a company to date, including the launch of a first-of-its-kind partnership with SGX for our REIT Plus portfolio, as well as developing Asia's first custom ETF portfolio builder for investors to build their own personalized portfolio from scratch through a seamless interface. We have consistently ranked in the top 10 most popular charts for app downloads, won awards, and been voted the most popular digital wealth platform. And in July 2021, we received our Series B funding. This brings our total amount raised to over $52 million, making us one of the best capitalized players in the industry. We started 2022 on a high with the launch of Syfe Trade, Singapore's first neo-broker, offering free trades and fractional trading through an intuitive and easy-to-use platform built on our proprietary technology. At Syfe, safety is our #1 priority, and we work with the regulators and our global banking partners to ensure that all our customer assets, both on the cash and securities front, are held safely and securely, with industry-leading and trusted institutions such as HSBC, DBS, and Citibank. In fact, for Syfe Trade, all our client accounts are protected with individual insurance coverage of up to $500,000 to guard against any unforeseen circumstances that could impact the ongoing viability of the company. Our investment philosophy is simple. In our managed wealth offering, we invest with the best and partner with world-leading asset managers, first to curate from over 8,000 to the top 100 best-in-class ETFs, which are offered on Syfe's platform and form the building blocks of our portfolios. Our investment team carefully curates our pool of selected ETFs through rigorous screening and monitoring across different metrics, such as expense ratios, liquidity, and tracking errors. Our winning edge is our proprietary technology that enables us to develop the best solutions and products in a cost-efficient and scalable way. We have invested massively into our engineering team and tripled its size in 2021. They form the backbone of everything we do here at Syfe, and have given us the wings to enter new geographies and product verticals with our scalable and modular architecture. Our tech stack is built with the world's leading partners, and we put in a significant amount of effort researching and prototyping to get us to where we want to be. One of such partners is Amazon Web Services. Through AWS, we have received support, credits, and guidance under the AWS Activate program, enabling us to actively collaborate with AWS experts with regards to our infrastructure design. AWS's pay-as-you-scale model allows a company in our stage of growth the transparency and control needed to make the right decisions for our business, as well as easy management through multi-account consolidation. We are in the business of managing people's money, and nothing is more important to our clients than safety and security. In this regard, we are glad to work with a partner like AWS, which offers high security controls. From the option to create a VPC with a public and private subnet with strict firewall and traffic control via VPC network access control lists, to allowing us to track user activity via CloudTrail. These services help us protect and secure our systems to ensure they stay robust while we scale. Through the work with AWS, we have improved on our efficiency through a multitude of AWS managed services. Whether it's the management of underlying infrastructure through AWS Elastic Kubernetes Service, or the relational database service for automation of the time-consuming database operational tasks, or even developing data and actionable insights through AWS's smart solution. The partnership we have with AWS significantly streamlines our operational efforts and helps us focus on what we do best, innovating for the future. With the support of AWS, we can focus on building our full suite offering for both individuals and organizations. From fully managed portfolios, including thematics and wealth advisory within Syfe Wealth, fractional trading and free trades from Syfe Trade, to financial education and corporate investment solutions under Syfe for Work, technology powers our mission to make better investing more accessible for everyone. Thank you for attending, and we really appreciate your feedback so that we can better understand the topics and services that you would like to know more about. So please do take the time to fill out our survey and let us know what you think.